On this day, 23rd March 1940, a vision turned into a resolution, the dream of an independent Pakistan. Pakistan Day is not just a celebration, it's a reminder of the resilience, determination, and unity that built a nation. At the Black Bear Canadian Immigration, we salute the spirit of Pakistanis who continue to strive for success across the world. Whether in Canada or beyond, your hard work and aspirations shape a brighter future for you and your families. This Pakistan Day, let's honor our past and embrace the opportunities ahead. The world is open to those who dream big and work hard. The Black Bear Canadian Immigration stands with you in your journey to a new home while keeping your roots strong. Happy Pakistan Day! This Pakistan Day, we celebrate resilience, unity, and new beginnings, wherever life takes us. The Black Bear Canadian Immigration is here to support your journey forward.